That is mukti. Mukti means just come to the right platform. That is mukti. Mukti is defined in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Mukti hitya annatha rupam swarupena avastiti. Mukti means to give up this nonsense business. Annatha. He is servant but he is thinking master. That is annatha. That is the opposite. So, when he gives up this opposite conception of life, that he is master, then he is mukti. He is liberated immediately. Mukti does not take so much time that you have to undergo so much severe austerities and go to the jungle and go to the Himalaya and meditate and press your nose and so many things. It doesn't require so many things. Simply you understand plain thing that I am servant of Krishna. You are mukti. Immediately. That is the definition of mukti given in Srimad Bhagavatam. Mukti hitva annatha rupam sarupena avas. Just like even a criminal in the prison house, if he becomes submissive, that henceforward I shall be law-abiding, I shall obey the government laws very obediently, then sometimes he is released prematurely on account of giving a declaration. So, we can become immediately liberated from this prison house of material existence if we accept this teaching of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Jivera Sarupaya Nitya Krishna Das. So therefore so many arrangements. We are having Krishna deity here, and every one of us, we are engaged as servant. Sri Vigrahara Ghana Nityanana Singara Tanmandira Marjanadu. Somebody is engaged in cleansing the temple. All servants we are. Somebody is engaged in dressing the deity. Somebody is engaged in preparing nice food stuff for deity. Somebody is making flower garlands. Somebody is going to distribute literature to make people understand the glories of Krishna. So in this way, Krishna consciousness movement means everyone is engaged 100% to become servant of Krishna. So those who are sincerely engaged in the service of the Lord, they are all liberated. They are all liberated. The Mayavadis who are trying to become liberated in so many ways, mystic yoga practice and austere penances and so on, so on, so on. You can get that liberty immediately, simply by engaging yourself in some service of Krishna. Immediately. Sarvamapi yasya dharmasya trayati mahato bhaya. Even little service you give, it is your permanent asset. Even if you fall down from that service platform, still whatever you have done, it will never go in vain. As soon as there is opportunity, again you shall begin from that point where you left. Therefore, everyone, taktya sadharmam charanambujam hari. There is a verse spoken by Narad Muni that even by sentiment, not understanding properly the philosophy of Krishna consciousness, even by sentiment, all right, let me also dance and chant like these people, the saffron collar, shaved head, people are doing, let me do that. So once dancing with them will never go in vain. It will immediately accounted, he has danced. It is so nice. It will never go in vain. There these children are dancing. Don't think it is spoiling time. Everything is recorded. This you will find in the time, our nectar of devotion, you will find. It will never go in. Salpamapi yasya dharmasya trayati mahato bhaya. Bhaktivinoda Thakur also saying, কেন মায়ার বসে যাচ্ছ ভেসে খাচ্ছ হাবু ডুবু ভাই জীব কৃষ্ণ দাস এই বিশ্বাস করলে তো আর দুঃখ নয়. Everyone is being washed away by the big waves of the ocean of nescience. But if he simply accept, no, I am Krishna das, I am not master, I am not God, I am simply a servant. And the more you become servant of the servant, more you are perfect. Not directly servant. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Gopi bhattu padakamalayo daso daso dasanu daso. This is perfection. Don't try to become directly Krishna das. Krishna's servant, his servant, his servant, his servants, you come down to the 100th point of servant, then you are perfect servant. তাদেরও চরণ সেবী ভক্ত সনে বাস জনমে জনমে মোর এই অভিলাষ. Narottam Das Thakur said, let me become the servant of the servant and live with devotees. And that is my desire. So this Krishna consciousness movement is that let us live amongst devotees. Why we are struggling to get so many centers open? Because devotees will live there, follow the regulative principles according to the instruction of the Shastra and spiritual master guided by, and people will get chance. As soon as one comes in this society of devotee, he will get some opportunity. And salpamapi yasya, that is my, even by sentiment one comes. Praktya sadhanmam charanambujam hare. The Narad Muni said, even by sentiments one gives us his occupational duty, so-called occupational duty, and surrenders to Krishna, even not understanding fully. Shastra says, what is the loss there? And if one is performing his material duties very perfectly, then what is gain there? He is simply wasting time. And a devotee, even by sentiment or whimsically, comes in this center and gives some service, that is permanent record. And these karmis, although they are acting very sincerely, but there is no guarantee what is the next life. He may become a dog. There are 8,400,000 species of life. Taktadehang, what is that? Tathadehantaram prati dhirastatsanamaya. There will be dehanta, change of this body. The body will be finished, everyone knows. But body being finished, you are not finished. Nobody is finished. Na hannate hannamane sarire. Then he has to accept another body. So if you do not work according to the rules and regulations of nature, then we have to accept another body, and we do not know what kind of body we are going to accept. Because it will be a gift by nature. Prakitakramani, karanam gunasangasya sadasajjanma yonishu. So they do not know these things. The rascal civilization, that's like dancing like dog, that's all. This is rascal civilization. They have no responsibility of life and dancing like dog. No. The Krishna consciousness movement is very scientific movement. Everyone should try to understand. If he wants to understand through science, through philosophy, through logic, in any way, through religion, through culture, any way he wants to understand, we have got volumes of books, try to understand. Thank you very much.